VD Studios. We're chopping in the kitchen, or cooking in the kitchen. This time it's going to be my recipe. It's going to be an asparagus soup. The best thing about this asparagus soup is all you need is asparagus, onion, half a stick of butter, salt, pepper, and any stock you have. I only have beef, but I've used chicken and I've used vegetable, so use what you got. And then if it gets a little dried out and you need a little bit more oil, avocado oil. So this is all we need to make it delicious during the week, quick and easy vegetable soup. Last week I made it with mushrooms, but I only have asparagus. So let's get started.
This is all just really close up, so.
Okay. So your instructions are to chop a large onion or a small onion and a half, which that's what I ended up doing, and half a stick of butter. And so what we're going to do right now is we're just going to saute the onions until they get to the point of translucent, not caramelized. That's how I like it. You could caramelize it so you can add a little bit more sweetness, but this is what I'm doing. Woo, and I'm going to put the extractor because these are really strong onions. Woo. Just saying, VD Studios. Salt and pepper. Okay, we're at the part where some bits are starting to get caramelized and they're pretty much translucent. See how there's some that are caramelized, some brown?
Yeah.
It's time to throw in our vegetable. In this case, it's going to be my asparagus. So what I'm going to do is just toss it. Toss it so it gets coated with all that delicious butter and onions. Let the salt and the pepper, all of that. The asparagus starts turning that beautiful green color, more green than it is. You could chop them up a little bit more if you want to, but I am going to blend them, or puree them rather, in the bullet that I have, in the magic bullet. So once you've tossed them, we can go ahead and add the broth now. Do not use the entire container, else your soup will be very weak, so maybe half the container. Okay. That's about half. Just enough to get them covered like that. Okay, so we're going to lower the temperature to medium, and we're going to let them simmer. Cover, and we'll simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. You come back, and if the asparagus still has a little tang, but it feels a little squishy, it's done. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, well, we already cooked down the onions, we cooked down the asparagus, so it's already cooled down. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put it through the NutriBullet, and we're going to make cream of asparagus. That's what we're making. Alright, so now we'll speed it up and we'll put it in the blender. Ready? A second. Okay, look at that. It's a thing of beauty. So now all we're going to do is going to warm it up and we'll be done. Yeah, it's done and it's a thing of beauty. So let me show you what we're going to do. Wait for it. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. It's really delicious. Have some of that. Yummy. With a little Parmesan cheese on the top, and you're set to go if you're going to have an easy weeknight soup on the side or just soup for dinner, asparagus for all my veggie lovers. All right, guys, thank you for joining us. See you next time, Cooking with BD Studios. Bye. All right, quiet on the set.
Yeah, ready? No, I deleted
No,
all.
really quiet.